When it comes to upholstery, a staple gun is an important tool to have on hand. Upholstery is a great way to add personalization and comfort to your home furnishings. Not only does it make the job easier, but it also helps to ensure that your upholstery is secure and looks great. But finding the best upholstery staple gun for the job can be daunting, especially if you're not sure what to look for. This video will help you sort through the options and find the best upholstery staple gun for your needs. Watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is WETOLS manual staple gun. This versatile staple gun is perfect for any fastening job, big or small. With its ability to use D-staples, U-staples, and T-staples, this 3-in-1 staple gun can handle any material you need to fasten. With this WETOLS manual staple gun, you'll never have to worry about an empty gun again. It comes with 2,400 pieces of staples, so you can keep on stapling without interruption. With this staple gun, you'll never have to deal with a stuck nail again. If the nail does get stuck, simply pull down the metal drive channel and remove the staple. This feature makes this gun one of the most user-friendly staple guns on the market. This manual staple gun is built to last with a thick carbon steel body and spring back impact design. It can handle whatever you throw at it, making it the perfect tool for any job. The WETOLS manual staple gun is the perfect tool for a wide range of projects, from upholstery and material repair to carpentry and decoration. Number 2 is Arrow Electric Staple Gun Kit. The Arrow Electric Staple Gun Kit delivers max power with each shot and can fire at 60 staples per minute, making it the perfect tool for a variety of applications. With an ergonomic design and easy-to-use trigger, the staple gun is comfortable to hold and easy to operate, making it a great choice for both professional and DIY projects alike. This staple gun has a contact safety mechanism at the nail outlet to prevent misfires, so you never have to worry about it happening again. You can trust that this gun will work correctly every time, making your life much easier. With 3,750 pieces of T50 staples, you'll never have to worry about running out in the middle of a project again. The Arrow Electric Staple Gun Kit comes complete with everything you need to get the job done right. It comes with a convenient bottom-loading staple magazine, so you can quickly and easily install it when you need it. In addition to that, the low staple indicator window ensures that users always know when the magazine is nearing empty, and quick-release mechanism helps shoot staples smoothly and quickly. With an 8-foot cord, this gun kit offers an extended reach that allows you to staple without having to move the extension cord around. The Arrow Electric Staple Gun Kit is perfect for personal or DIY projects. Number 3. Shell Upholstery Staple Gun. Whether you're a first-time user or a seasoned professional, the Shell Upholstery Staple Gun is easy to use. With its simple design and clear instruction manual, you'll be able to get started on your project in no time. Plus, its lightweight and compact size make it easy to maneuver around your work area. This gun fits 3 kinds of different staples nails such as D-type, U-type, and T-type. This makes it a versatile and useful tool for anyone who needs to use a staple gun for upholstery projects. Also, it can be used with multiple models, including the T50, T18, and Brad Nail Gauge 18. With its 3 specific staple outlet laser etch markings, this staple gun puts users in control of their fabric fastening needs. By having an accurate guide for where the staples will go, users can avoid accidentally putting holes in their upholstery or catching their fingers on the trigger. The stepless knob adjustment on this gun gives you much finer control over the amount of power being applied. This stapler is equipped with a quick jam clearing system that allows for the quick removal of stuck staples. The anti-slip grip on this upholstery staple gun gives you added comfort while you're working. This makes for a more pleasant experience when using the gun for extended periods of time. This upholstery staple gun comes with 3,000 PC staples and a staple remover, so you can get the job done quickly. Number 4 is YEAHOME Upholstery Staple Gun. This staple gun is one of the best in its price range. It's easy to use and comes with a variety of staples to choose from, making it a great choice for any job. This versatile gun can handle D-shaped, U-shaped, T-shaped, and pin staples with ease. Whether you're upholstering furniture or completing home improvement projects, the staple gun will help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. The chrome steel construction and chrome finish provides superior strength for this staple gun. The strong construction is able to handle heavy-duty projects, making it a versatile tool for a variety of applications. The YEAHOME Upholstery staple gun has an adjustable pressure knob, so you can easily staple in soft as well as hard materials depending on the project and pressure it needs. This is a great feature if you're working with different types of upholstery or fabric. The adjustable pressure knob makes it easy to get the perfect staple every time. This staple gun has a steel handle with an overmolded grip to help provide comfortable usage and easy operation. Keep your staple gun safe. When you're not using the gun, make sure to always engage the safety lock. This will keep it from accidentally going off and harming anyone. Number 5 is Bielmeier Electric Staple Gun. The Bielmeier cordless staple gun packs a lot of shooting power into a very affordable package. If you're looking for an electric staple gun for your DIY that won't break the bank, this is the one you want. This versatile staple gun is perfect for a variety of materials, from paper and fabric to carpeting and leather. It is the perfect tool for anyone who wants the freedom to move around while they work. This staple gun is lightweight and can be used for long periods of time without causing any fatigue. This staple gun is compatible with the Staples 250 from 1 by 4 inches to 9 by 16 inches and brad nails from 9 by 16 to 5 by 8 inches, giving you plenty of options for your home improvement projects. With a clear window built into the design, you can easily monitor your staple levels and make sure you never run out in the middle of a project. This staple gun has 3 safety switches to ensure you have the safest operation significantly. This Bielmeier cordless staple gun will make your work much easier and faster as it can shoot up to 850 staples per charge. With a charging time of only 2 hours, you'll be able to get back to work in no time. The charging LED indicator lets you know when it is fully charged.